Welcome back to our channel. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey through time and culture as we explore the ancient city of Jerusalem. In this video, we will delve into the captivating history of Jerusalem, discover 5 famous tourist attractions, and unveil the must-eat foods that make this city a culinary delight. So, let's get started. History of Jerusalem. Jerusalem, the capital of Israel, holds a rich history spanning over thousands of years. Its roots date back to the 4th millennium BCE, making it one of the oldest cities in the world. Throughout its history, Jerusalem has been conquered and ruled by various empires, including the Canaanites, Israelites, Babylonians, Persians, Greeks, Romans, Byzantines, Arabs, Crusaders, Ottomans, and finally, the British. This diverse cultural tapestry has shaped the city into what it is today. Top 5 tourist attractions in Jerusalem. 5. The Mount of Olives. The Mount of Olives is not only a picturesque vantage point offering panoramic views of the city, but it is also a site of great religious significance. It is mentioned multiple times in the Bible and serves as a burial ground for many prominent figures from various religious traditions. 4. The Israel Museum. The Israel Museum is a world-class institution, showcasing art, archaeology, and cultural artifacts from the region. It houses the Dead Sea Scrolls, an invaluable collection of ancient manuscripts, and exhibits that offer insight into the diverse heritage of Jerusalem and its surroundings. 3. The Church of the Holy Sepulchre. This revered Christian pilgrimage site stands on the spot where Jesus is believed to have been crucified and buried. The church is a stunning architectural marvel, with its elaborate chapels, icons, and the stone of anointing, marking the place where Jesus' body was prepared for burial. 2. The Dome of the Rock. Located on the Temple Mount, the Dome of the Rock is a breathtaking masterpiece of Islamic architecture. Adorned with intricate mosaics, it houses the foundation stone, significant to both Jewish and Muslim faiths. Its golden dome dominates the Jerusalem skyline, providing a mesmerizing sight. 1. The Western Wall. The Western Wall, also known as the Wailing Wall, is a significant religious site for Jews worldwide. It is the only remaining part of the Second Jewish Temple and holds deep spiritual importance. Visitors can leave prayers in the cracks of the ancient stones and witness the profound devotion of the people. Top 5 must-eat foods in Jerusalem. 5. Malabi. To satisfy your sweet tooth, indulge in a serving of malabi. This popular dessert is made from a creamy milk pudding, delicately flavored with rose water or orange blossom water. 4. Jerusalem Mixed Grill. For the meat lovers out there, the Jerusalem Mixed Grill is a culinary delight. This dish features a mouth-watering combination of grilled chicken hearts, liver, and kebabs, seasoned to perfection. Served with grilled vegetables and accompanied by traditional Middle Eastern dips, it offers a delightful blend of flavors. 3. Shakshuka. Shakshuka is a delightful breakfast dish that has gained popularity worldwide. It consists of poached eggs in a flavorful tomato and bell pepper sauce, seasoned with aromatic herbs and spices. The combination of the perfectly cooked eggs and the rich, tangy sauce makes it a must-try dish in Jerusalem. 2. Falafel. A popular street food, falafel consists of deep-fried chickpea or fava bean balls. Crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, they are often served in pita bread with salad, tahini sauce, and pickles. Bite into a falafel, and you'll experience a burst. 1. Hummus. Creamy and rich, hummus is a staple of Middle Eastern cuisine. Made from mashed chickpeas, tahini, garlic, lemon juice, and olive oil, it is typically enjoyed with freshly baked pita bread. The hummus in Jerusalem is known for its exceptional creaminess and depth of flavor. And there you have it, an enchanting journey through the history, attractions, and culinary delights of Jerusalem. This ancient city captivates visitors with its deep-rooted traditions, iconic landmarks, and diverse cuisine. Whether you're exploring the Western Wall, savoring the flavors of hummus and falafel, or standing in awe of the Dome of the Rock, Jerusalem offers an unforgettable experience for every traveler. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour of Jerusalem. We hope you've enjoyed discovering the historical significance, famous attractions, and mouth-watering dishes that make this city truly special. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more travel content, and leave your comments below about your favorite attractions or dishes in Jerusalem. Until next time, happy exploring!